Here are the top 10 AI GitHub repositories taking over the developer world this July. These tools are so good, they're killing paid software. Let's count them down. Number 10. OfficeCLI. A single binary that lets AI agents create Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. No Microsoft Office required. OfficeCLI is a command-line Office suite built specifically for AI agents. It reads, writes, and edits docs, XLSX, and PPTX files natively, with clean JSON output designed for direct LLM tool calls. No heavy dependencies, no Office binaries, just one fast Go binary. Install it with a single curl command. Then create documents from JSON templates, or read existing spreadsheets into structured data. It replaces Microsoft 365 server licenses and expensive Aspose API fees. Use OfficeCLI when your AI agents need to generate enterprise reports autonomously, process documents in batch pipelines, or handle serverless document creation without heavy dependencies. Over 22,000 GitHub stars and climbing fast. Number 9. OmniRoute. A free, local AI gateway that routes 500 plus models and compresses tokens to slash your API bills. OmniRoute gives you a unified local API endpoint for over 290 AI providers. It automatically fails over when a provider hits rate limits, and its token compression engines save between 15 and 95% on prompt costs. Clone the repo and spin it up with Docker Compose. It exposes a standard OpenAI-compatible endpoint on localhost. Drop-in replacement for paid gateway services like OpenRouter, Portkey, and Lite LLM Enterprise. Use OmniRoute for cutting LLM API bills with intelligent token compression. Number 8. Vibe Trading. Convert natural language into executable algorithmic trading strategies with 68 financial tools built in. Vibe Trading uses a multi-agent swarm architecture for collaborative financial analysis. You describe a strategy in plain English, and it generates executable trading code with built-in backtesting, Sharpe ratio calculation, and drawdown tracking. Clone it from GitHub, install the Python requirements, and run your first strategy with a single command. It replaces Bloomberg Terminal Analytics, TradingView Premium, and QuantConnect paid tiers. Retail traders can build automated strategies without writing code. Research teams can backtest hypotheses with natural language. And portfolio managers can evaluate risk using multi-agent consensus. Nearly 29,000 stars. Number 7. Orca. The control plane for managing fleets of parallel AI coding agents. Orca is an agent development environment built for orchestrating multi-agent fleets at scale. It provides centralized dispatch, real-time telemetry, token usage monitoring, and containerized sandbox isolation for concurrent task execution. Install globally with NPM, initialize with your preferred provider, and dispatch tasks to your agent fleet. It replaces Langsmith Enterprise and weights and biases paid agent observability tiers. Run 10 coding agents in parallel on a large mono repo. Monitor token spend and latency across your entire fleet. And dynamically load balance between model providers. 33,000 stars. Number 6. Codebase Memory MCP. It indexes your entire codebase into an AST knowledge graph so AI agents can navigate million-line repos efficiently. This MCP server uses TreeSitter to parse your codebase into a precise symbol map with relationship queries. It reduces LLM context token usage by 80% and works plug-and-play with Claude Code, Cursor, and Klein. Initialize with npx and add it to your MCP config. That's it. Your coding agent now has structural awareness of your entire repository. It replaces expensive Pinecone subscriptions and constant re-indexing costs. Your coding agents can navigate massive codebases without flooding the context window. Find all callers of any function with relationship-aware queries. And dramatically reduce API costs by sending only relevant code context. Nearly 36,000 stars. Number 5. Strix. An autonomous AI penetration testing agent that finds, validates, and patches security vulnerabilities. Strix performs end-to-end security scanning with exploit validation and virtually zero false positives. Every finding is verified before it's reported. It integrates directly with GitHub Actions and GitLab CI for automated security audits before every deployment. Install with pip, point it at your target, and get a comprehensive security report in serif format. It replaces enterprise DAST tools like Veracode and expensive penetration testing firms. Run automated security audits in your CI/CD pipeline. Catch vulnerabilities in AI-generated code at scale. And auto-generate security patches as pull requests. 40,000 stars on the breakout security tool of 2026. Number 4. Grok Build. XAI's Rust-powered terminal coding agent with a mouse interactive TUI that's blazingly fast. Grok Build is built entirely in Rust with sub-millisecond UI response. It features a mouse interactive terminal with scrollable diffs and clickable buttons. And it has built-in MCP support for custom tools and external servers. Open sourced by XAI in mid-July, it gained 8,700 stars in 48 hours. Install with a single curl command, navigate to your project, and run Grok Build. It replaces Cursor Pro subscriptions in GitHub Copilot CLI. High-speed terminal coding without ever leaving the command line. Autonomous shell execution, file editing, and web search built in. And MCP tool integrations for custom development workflows. 23,000 stars and the fastest growing coding agent of the month. Number 3. OpenHands. The open-source autonomous AI software developer that writes code, fixes bugs, and deploys features. OpenHands is a fully autonomous software engineering agent. It writes code, runs pull the Docker image and run it. Open localhost port 3000 and you have a full software development agent in your browser. It replaces Cognition Devin and GitHub Copilot Workspace. Give it a GitHub issue and it autonomously produces a fix. Describe a feature in natural language and it builds it end-to-end. Automated code review, testing, and deployment in one agent. 82,000 stars, the leading open-source alternative to Devin. Number 2. Ollama. The industry standard for running any open-source LLM locally with a single command. Ollama lets you download, customize, and serve hundreds of open-weight models locally. Llama, Qwen, Gemma, Mistral, one command, complete privacy, zero data ever leaves your machine. Install with curl, pull any model, and run it. 3 commands, that's it. It exposes an OpenAI-compatible local API and replaces per-token cloud API costs entirely. Run private AI assistants on your own hardware. Develop and test LLM applications completely offline. And experiment with the latest open models at zero cost. 177,000 GitHub stars, the backbone of the entire local AI movement. And number 1. OpenClaw. The fastest growing open source repository in GitHub history. A local first personal AI assistant that runs your entire digital life. OpenClaw runs autonomously on your local hardware with absolutely zero cloud data leakage. It integrates natively with Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack, and Discord, turning your chat apps into a command center for AI-powered automation. Initialize with NPX, connect your messaging platforms, and start the agent. It replaces ChatGPT Plus, Claude Pro subscriptions, and Zapier AI assistants all running locally on your machine. Manage calendars, emails, and daily workflows through natural conversation. Autonomous GitHub PR reviews and issue triage. Build custom agent skills for any personal automation you can imagine. 380,000 stars, and it's only getting started. Those are the top 10 AI GitHub tools for July 2026. Every single one is free and open source. Pick one, install it, and cancel something. If this video helped, smash that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.